Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the GoPro LCD Touch BacPac. This is the original one. It cost me fucking 40 quid. It's not really worth it, but it's worth it. I don't know how to explain it. You get that urge to buy it, so why not? It's an accessory for GoPro. It fits on the accessory port. Let's have a look here. Okay, so it's compatible with the 3+3 and it's limited compatibility with HD Hero 2 and the original HD Hero. So it might work, I think it'll work as a viewfinder, nothing else. But with my system, it can be a viewfinder and a gallery viewer. So I can view back my videos and stuff. Rather than just a live image, I can see back my stuff on the media card and stuff. The stuff I've recorded before. Okay, LCD Touch BacPac doors, that's what's included. Standard backpack doors, that's the waterproof one. Skeleton backpack, that's the one I got on now on my normal camera, which is that. It basically is when you're not using it in water or windy noise like 100 miles an hour below that. I mean, when you're using it below that, then it's better for audio quality. So that's what I got it for. Protective case. Oh, that'll be nice actually. Okay, element. Okay, let's have a look at the back. Okay, removable LCD touchscreen for your GoPro. Sorry about the LCD flash. There you go. As a removable accessory, the LCD Touch BacPac keeps your camera small and light as possible, yet provides the convenience of LCD touchscreen when attached. Ooh, I liking it. Seamlessly attaches to the back. LCD touchscreen delivers convenient control. Integrated speaker. Oh, that's really nice. It's got a speaker in it. It's got 3.5mm headphone jack as well. Makes it easy to frame your perfect shot. Preview. So far, when I've been using it, I've been using the Wi-Fi to connect to the system and check my view before making a video and stuff. Now I could just, well, I still can't see it. I'll get someone else to see it without having to connect the Wi-Fi. But yeah, it's not bad. Really not that bad. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one and figure out how. There you go. Sellotape here. Got to cut this off. Please bear with me. That should just slide out. There you go. Oh, it's a 2-part system. Don't do that. Okay. There's nothing else in there. Don't believe. Yeah, it's just a cardboard box. Yep. Okay. Got the Touch BacPac door. Standard one, this is the waterproof one. Got the skeleton one with the hole in it. So that's the one I'm going to be using if I do use it. Okay, oh, we got another one as well. Standard waterproof. So why is there two? I think that's a spare, I'm not sure. That's exact same as the other one. They're literally the exact same. Ah, one's a waterproof up to 40 meters, one's waterproof up to 3 meters. So this one will give you better touch button. The touchscreen will work better with this one. So yeah, boys, it's still waterproof, but not as waterproof. Like this one, you can go full into the deep ocean. Not deep ocean, but you know what I mean. Okay, guys, let me move this out of the way. Have a look at the main thing. Now, I couldn't open this last time with the old video. If you not checked out my last video, go check it out. So I'm just going to cut it open. Oh, that's very sharp. Really like this packaging, it's premium. It's a headache. This is the screen itself. Oh, it's very light. That's very light, guys. Don't need this anymore. Let's have a look in here. No, we'll have a look at the screen actually first. Then get rid of this shit. No, we'll have a look here. Sorry about my indecisiveness. Wait, what? Gave me 3 there. Then I got another 3 here. I think they gave me extra for free, so why not? Can't complain. Yeah, they gave me extra. Or did they? I don't know, guys. This one's a slightly bigger. Or is it? Yeah, that's slightly bigger. I don't know why they gave me 2. Yeah, these ones are all bigger. I'm not sure why. Dive housing. So it's the exact same one as them, just bigger. And then extra thingy. So we got 6 extra backings there. Got protective case like the other one. If you've not checked out my last video, go check it out. This is the external backpack one. That's really nice case, I like it. Got the same connector and stuff, blah blah blah. Let's put this back in. Go check out the video if you've not checked it out. I really like these cases. Pretty protective and nice. This one's a bit dirty, but oh well. So yeah, protective case just goes in like that. But yeah, that is really nice. So this has a screen protector at the moment. I'll take off in a second. Just get all this out the way. Then we've got a manual and stuff. Nothing else in the box. Not gonna bother with the manual. I'm a pro player. Okay, so first thing first, get rid of this shit screen protector. I've never used screen protector in my life and never will. Okay. So the back is just matte and it's really nice. I like it. Not sure about the resolution on this. It's pretty, I reckon it'll be alright. You got a play button there for the gallery. And yeah, let me get the camera out and then we'll pop it on there. See what's going on. So I've already half taken this off from the last video, so yeah. Okay. Oh, the camera's on as well. Wait, I want to turn it off. Just to see how it looks like when it boots up. So you want to clip this end in first. Simple as that. And then connector goes there. Just make sure that side's clipped in first. There you go. It goes in smoothly. Yep, it's all on. Nicely done. Alright, got the 3.5mm jack there. Play button. It's touchscreen, by the way. So yeah, let me turn this on now. Don't know if I pressed the button. Oh, press record by accident. Wait, what? Camera is busy. Let me turn it off again. I'm really liking this screen though. Wow, that's nice. Turn it back on. I saw something. Yeah, that's it. There you go. That's your turn on. Okay. Yeah, this screen is actually quite good quality. From what I'm seeing, I reckon it's 360p, maybe 480p. Can't really tell, but it's really good quality from my eyes. So it's touchscreen. Should be able to change settings now. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh, this is my gallery now. What is this video? I think that's before the one I shot before. Okay, so this is my car one that I shot the other day. Let's find my car one, this one, the Volkswagen. Okay, we got sound there as well. Full sound, we'll hear the speakers, how good they are. Guys, I've had to mute that part of the video because it's got Stormzy in the background playing, I just realized. But the audio is very good. Let me just turn the audio for now. Don't have to mute the rest of the video. Yeah, the speakers are very good. There you go. Okay, so now we're just watching the peer video. Look how good quality that is, guys. You can't see on the camera, but on my eyes it's really good quality. I'm really liking it, guys. I'm really liking it. And the fact it just plays it off the software is really well put together. The chip on here is very good. There's no delay, no lag, no nothing. Touchscreen is very good and tactile as well. I like that. And this is like a gallery view like that, so that's really cool. You do see a bit of flickering, but that's not off the screen. It's on my camera only because it's picking up like that. It's a refresh rate. So yeah, let's try the audio. So yeah, that's my mate's Audi. There you go. Then put some sound on. This one has a you can watch in slow mo as well. That's pretty cool. He's got music on, but it's not it's copyright free music. Now this doesn't get that warm with it on, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm thinking, how do I get back to main menu? If I press the play button, maybe. Oh, okay. So back to camera mode again. Yeah, that's nice. If I press the Wi-Fi, don't know. There must be a way to do it. Now let me get rid of this. Go back to camera mode. So there's many things you can do here. As you can see, you can change all the settings. Just need to figure out how you do it. There you go. See all the settings there. Change them, rather than going to that menu again. I got big fingers as well, so yeah. Oh, I really like this menu. I actually like this menu a lot. Okay. So if I press Wi-Fi now, if I press the Wi-Fi button on my camera, there you go. Wi-Fi on. So I can still use the buttons to control it, or I can just simply. Oh, look at that, guys! Look at that. All right, turn that shit off now. And there you go. Very nice. Now this will use your battery a lot more, so be aware of that. But yes, a nice addition to add if you don't have a newer camera. The newer cameras have this built in from GoPro Hero 5 or 6, something like that. So yeah, it's really worth the upgrade if you don't have it. 40 quid is not bad. I was thinking, what the fuck, why did I spend so much? And now I'm realizing it's worth it. So yeah, anyways guys, I know this has been a long video, but yeah, if there's any more accessories I've missed out, let me know. I'll go buy them and check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.